Hey everybody, I just wanted to come on really quick. You're gonna see an intro anyway, but this is our Grow With Me update. We're in a 2-bedroom apartment and we have a homestead. So I pray you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and let us know what you think. Thanks.
She's trying to get out from me. She's trying to get milk.
He's really hungry. Leave him alone.
You won't take the mommy one. I want to pick them.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Mama. You can pet him.
Because I don't want to pet her. Come on!
Hey everybody, so this is an update. Every Sunday we talk about our life and here on the homestead. So I have right here with me my New Zealand breed. I got the papa and the mama. So just as a quick update, we talked about how sorry, probably low. We talked about how her first batch or first litter was 5, and then this litter that she just had was 8. But unfortunately, I think it was just too many for her, so we're down to 2 now. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys. Here she is. I try to clean every Sunday, make it a little bit more bearable in here for them. She's I think she's nesting right now because I got her pregnant again every 3 months, you know. So here's these little guys. We got these 2 left. It's kind of ironic. Actually, I got 3 left. Sorry, it's 3 left. So we have her twin, and then it's got a little shade of brown in it, but then we got these 2 right here. And then we have these 2 from her first litter. So I just gave them hay and food, so, you know. So that's why she's looking like that. That's a girl. This is Butterscotch and BJ, Beast Jr. So, it's them. I don't really have a litter box for them because at first, they were jumping back and forth a lot. I don't know if you can see, but like right in here, right up in there, that's where they would just jump and hop over. They were small enough to do it. It was quite impressive. So now we got them. I feel like one, maybe he's out. Maybe that's what the cat is. I let them free range sometimes. Let's see if we can look in here. Maybe see if he's in here, maybe. Oh, yeah, so there he is. Hiding in there with mama. I was cleaning the cage. I don't think she liked how I was cleaning and removing all the poop and stuff, so she's hidden away. But these are them, you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna name yet. A little bit more skittish than the first batch. The first batch, they love me, except for BJ, but Butterscotch is my baby. Yeah. It's our little homestead. We live in a 2-bedroom townhouse. And we got the rabbits downstairs, quail outside, and I want to get goats, but we can't yet. So quail outside, parakeets upstairs in our room. Parakeets are pets. So yeah, the rabbits and the quail are for meat. So maybe I'll put a little video in the in here of our quail, just so you guys can see them. But yeah, these are them. Like I said, we breed her every 3 months on the 29th. We got about 2 feeding bottles in here for them, 2 feeding bowls. They're pretty good. Next month, I'm gonna go ahead and process the black one And then Butterscotch is a boy. He's gonna go ahead and be in the cage with the dad. So him and the dad can be together. And then prayerfully, she's a little girl. I would love for her to be a girl so that I can have brown food. They always love doing this. I'm glad I caught one. Look at that. They just hop up there and just...
Now we got 4 though.
No, we got, well, yeah, we got 5 total.
2.
2 big ones and 3 lay babies. All right, you guys, this is our Grow With Me little mini homestead.